My name is Sia Ribeiro and I'm a product manager for the INDASA group. Today, I'm going to talk a little bit about our new ProX polisher. Let's begin with packaging. We are talking about craft paper with one color black printing. This approach is completely aligned with our Why No Goes Green initiative, which can learn more through this QR code. All the material of this packaging came from controlled sources, as you can see by this FSC logo. Let's open the box. Inside, you have the polisher, the manuals, and an X range. In these papers, you will find a QR code to get your 2 years of extra warranty. All you need to do is follow the form. So, let's talk about the tool itself. We have here random orbital polisher, which means random orbital action. Means that the movement of the pad follows small circles around big circular movements. The 125 backing pad will come fitted in the tool itself. You can see the motor, but let me say you, here we have a 710 watts motor. It's a very powerful tool. So the tool is made from soft rubber material, which provide you a very ergonomic handling. Here we also have a mechanical speed control from 1 to 6. In every speed you choose, you will also have a soft start. This soft start will allow you to not damage the paint job. You also have a trigger control of the speed, as you can see. Within this line of thought, we will get a low vibration in all the speed range. So, ProX, for professionals by experts.